Hey, welcome back in the garage today. Today is a modification I'm not 100% sure on. I ordered this because it popped up on suggestions and it was cheap, so I figured, nah, for 50 bucks I'll try it. I really don't think it's going to work, and it's probably just 50 bucks down the drain, but hey, you never know. Anyways, let's check it out. So here it is. As you can tell, it's a nice Amazon package. So these are LED lights for front and rear tail lights. So we got front ones and rear ones, but I don't know whether these are the front or these are the rear. I don't know if they're just white. I don't know if they'll even work. All I know is that's Chinese. That's Chinese, but it says 57, meaning I think it's an 1157 bulb type there. I don't know. And then it also comes with the smoked out lenses. So the sizing looks pretty close. So I think these will at least work if these ones don't. But like I said, it was 50 bucks off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I can't see this working out, but you never know. Stranger things have happened. Anyways, let's put them on the bike. So to do these, it's simply a matter of taking a screwdriver, popping these off. They might actually be smaller, smaller size, but they might still fit. I don't know. These bulbs push out. So from what I can tell right off the bat, the bases for them do look similar. Like they have the nub patterns, the same as what the bulbs are. I'm just going to leave these bulbs here because I have a feeling I'm going to have to put them right back on. I don't foresee these actually working out, but you never know. And again, I'm not sure what the differences are between the two bulbs. Now, I don't know if this will pick it up. They do look similar, but this one here, the outside, seems to have like a yellowish tinge to it. So I don't know what that means. So I'm going to try these on the front first and see what happens. So putting these on, the other ones are just plain white bulbs that came out of it. And then it's the cover that actually changes the color of it. Where these ones, like are they automatically yellow, or and if you're gonna have the case on it, is it just black? I don't know. So yeah, now there's a proper oh, there's a proper way of putting these in. I'm just worried of how to get them out after. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that out if it if I have to. Okay, let's so the oh, so those are the front. Huh. Okay, well, let's I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to get this one back out. Oh yeah, see there's the yellow. Hopefully that got picked up in there. So actually the covers are actually pretty close. They even have them marked up the same spots of where they would go. I mean, it doesn't matter once you put it on. But I think these would actually are actually going to work here. So let's put this on. I don't know how you keep it enclosed. So I don't think that's going to work very good. It's not going to hold on there. Um, I don't know if it's the wire needs to be twisted more, or but it just doesn't want to get on there. Like I see that just falling off of riding down the street. Like I don't. Oh, maybe there. One's already burnt out. Those ones all still work. Well, I'm gonna call it here. Junk. I don't think I'm gonna waste anyone's time on this anymore. I mean, they're just gonna burn out. The covers actually look not too bad, but yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna keep those on. So that's a bust. I wouldn't recommend them. So, like I said, yeah, you can't even really see. Well, I guess you can kind of see. So it's got the ring around, and there's one up here that's already burnt out, um, and then that's the turn signal, which is really doesn't come up on the camera. It's yellow here. I'll turn off the bike, and you'll see the yellow. Will flash here in a second. That's what the yellow looks like. Which I mean, I guess it looks okay. I do like the smoked out lens, but yeah, I can't see me keeping those on. Yeah, yeah, I wouldn't recommend. Don't buy them. Amazon, $50. I'll leave the link in the description. Don't even bother. I'll quickly do the rear ones and see what they look like, but yeah, I can't see these staying on. So I didn't even bother. I put the lens on, but it's pretty much clear lens. I'm just gonna go back to the original ones. I'm not gonna bother with it. Anyways, that's it. That's a review for the cheap Amazon $50 LED. Don't waste your money. Might as well just go get the proper ones. Even these front ones here. They actually look not too bad, but as soon as the light turns on, it's pretty much a clear lens. So I don't think I'll even keep the clear lens on, or this lens on. I'll just go right back to the yellow one. Plus, if I put the old bulb in, it's not amber, so it's not gonna be an amber color. I guess I could swap out those bulbs, but anyways, I'll maybe just get proper LED lights instead of cheap Amazon ones. Anyways, thanks for watching.